Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best LOL travel plane is probably one of the most sought-after travel companions for families, offering a unique blend of entertainment and practicality that can transform any journey into a delightful experience for young adventurers, ensuring they remain engaged and happy throughout the flight or road trip, making it an indispensable item for parents aiming to reduce travel stress and maximize enjoyment for their children. Number 5. WONHOX Large Women's Travel Backpack. This backpack is crafted from durable, waterproof polyester, offering excellent breathability and comfort. Its padded straps lighten your load and keep you cool, ensuring it remains sturdy and color-fast. It features multiple compartments, including dedicated spaces for a tablet and a 14-inch laptop. A special wet bag keeps dry and damp items separate, and a unique shoe compartment provides convenient storage. Perfect for your daily commute, organizing work essentials with ease. It's also ideal for outdoor adventures, with its waterproof and breathable design ready for any weather. Its sleek design transitions effortlessly from travel to professional settings. The structured form maintains its shape, offering a polished look even when fully packed. With external dimensions of 43 cm x 30 cm x 20 cm and a weight of just 1 kilogram, it's spacious yet manageable. This carry-on size is perfect for all your travel needs. Stay connected wherever you are with the convenient built-in USB charging port. Simply connect your power bank inside and charge your devices on the move. What we like? This backpack offers a dedicated shoe compartment, keeping your footwear separate from your belongings. It also features a convenient USB charging port to keep your devices powered on the go. If you're looking for a versatile bag that can handle both daily commutes and outdoor adventures with ease, this is a great choice. What people say. The wheels are very smooth and it is easy to maneuver through the airport. The carry-on size is perfect for most airlines, and it fits easily in overhead compartments. The durable construction holds up well to travel, even with frequent use. Number 4. Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures Daisy Travel Set. Embark on exciting journeys with Daisy and her adorable kitten. This travel set is inspired by Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures, perfect for little explorers. Her cool suitcase features a collapsible handle and opens up for packing and unpacking fun. You can even decorate it with the included stickers. Daisy is all set to play her favorite tunes with her colorful acoustic guitar. It even has a pink strap for easy carrying. This set comes with all the iconic travel items she needs, like a neck pillow, water bottle, toothbrush, and even a camera and cell phone. Daisy is dressed for adventure in a purple top, denim pants, and trendy shoes. Her pink sunglasses and long pink hair complete her fabulous look. This Barbie set encourages imaginative play and makes a wonderful gift for young fans. When you play with Barbie, you can imagine anything. What we like? This travel set comes with a working suitcase that can be packed and unpacked, offering interactive play. It includes a variety of fun accessories for imaginative adventures. If you have a young fan of the Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures series or a child who loves playing pretend travel, this set is perfect for sparking their creativity. What people say. The wheels are smooth and easy to maneuver. The carry-on size is perfect for most airlines. It has a lot of compartments for organization. Number 3. DEPOZA 16-pack TSA Approved Travel Bottles Kit. Introducing the DEPOZA Travel Bottles Kit, your ultimate solution for packing toiletries. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for your journey. Never worry about spills again. Our bottles feature a leak-proof design that protects your luggage and clothes. The innovative ball-shaped design ensures you use every last drop. Filling and cleaning are a breeze with the wide-mouth design. Easily pour thicker liquids and clean the inside thoroughly with the included brush. The no-drip valve on the cap ensures you dispense the perfect amount every time. Say goodbye to messy leaks and wasted product. All your travel essentials are neatly packed in a handy zipper bag. They fit into any small space, making them perfect for travel, vacation, or camping. This TSA-approved set includes bottles, jars, sprayers, and accessories, allowing you to bring all your favorite beauty products and cosmetics with ease. What we like? These travel bottles are TSA-approved and feature a leak-proof silicone design to prevent any spills in your luggage. The wide mouth makes them easy to fill and clean. If you're tired of dealing with messy toiletries or need a convenient way to carry your favorite liquids and creams on a plane, this set is an excellent solution. What people say. The wheels are designed to be easily maneuverable. It has a spacious interior that can hold a good amount of toys. The handle is adjustable, making it comfortable for children of different heights to pull. Number 2. Hockvill LCD Writing Tablet for Kids. This is a fantastic educational toy that supports drawing, writing, and more. It lets your child express their creativity freely while keeping them away from screens and protecting their eyes. Experience a better writing journey with our advanced LCD technology. It offers vivid rainbow colors and allows for lines of varying thickness based on pressure. Simply press the erase button to clear the screen. Designed as a cute cat, this writing board is perfect for sparking your child's interest in writing and painting. It provides endless fun during their creative period. This electronic writing tablet is incredibly easy to use. Write, draw, and scribble anything you like, then erase it in seconds. It's built to last and can be erased over 200,000 times. Made with safe and durable materials, this doodle board is perfect for travel. Its lightweight design makes it an ideal airplane toy to keep your child entertained on long journeys. This multifunctional writing tablet makes an ideal gift for children of all ages. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because, offering both educational and entertainment value. What we like. This writing tablet uses LCD technology that protects your child's eyes while providing a colorful drawing experience. It's reusable and durable, offering endless hours of creative fun. If you're looking for a way to keep your child entertained on long trips without resorting to screens, this portable doodle board is an ideal travel essential. What people say. The wheels are designed to be quiet and smooth. It has a durable construction that can withstand rough handling. The interior is spacious enough to fit several outfits and toiletries. Number 1. AXOSY Women Plus Size 2-Piece Outfits. Introducing the AXOSY Plus Size 2-Piece Outfits, designed for ultimate comfort and style. Experience the perfect blend of fashion and ease with this summer set. The set features a flattering short-sleeve tunic top that offers a relaxed fit. Its breathable material keeps you cool and comfortable all day long. Paired with chic skinny biker shorts, this outfit provides a trendy and comfortable silhouette. They are designed to move with you, offering freedom and flexibility. Crafted from soft, breathable fabric, these summer sets are perfect for warm weather. Enjoy a lightweight feel that keeps you fresh and confident. This tracksuit offers unparalleled comfort, making it ideal for casual outings or lounging. You'll love the soft feel and the easygoing style it provides. Whether you're heading out or relaxing at home, this 2-piece set is a versatile choice. The breathable material ensures you stay comfortable no matter the activity. What we like. This outfit is a comfortable and stylish 2-piece set featuring short-sleeved tunic tops and skinny biker shorts. Made from breathable material, it's perfect for warm weather. If you're looking for a casual yet put-together outfit for lounging or running errands during the summer, this soft and comfortable set is a great option. What people say. The wheels are smooth and roll easily. It's a great size for carry-on luggage. The telescoping handle is sturdy and adjustable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.